It's our little flock we've let out. They haven't gone anywhere. They were just hang out between Spike's run and the quail run. Tucked back in here. Acquired some windows from a job site this year. I'll replace this one and one of the two back here on this other side. Hey guys. That's where they tuck back into. They won't leave the two mating pair we have that are tucked in here right now. Thought it was pretty cool. They spent so long together, they won't leave them. They just sit here. I mean, they roam throughout the day, but they all come back. And we had a visitor today. 8 o'clock this morning, we had a hawk up in the tree. Took a couple firecrackers to get him to finally leave. Came out here and all the quail were burrowed up under it. Let's see if our pairs are out. I don't think they are. Chickens are pissed off. I closed them in the coop with some food. Left the doggy door open. They haven't figured out all they gotta do is just fly up and over. So our hawk went from this tree right about here, flew off into this tree right about here, and then back. And then finally down into our neighbor's yard. Came out and checked on all the birds, and about 10 minutes later he came back and he landed right here. He sat there until I got to the firecrackers. There's Sammy. Tapping for Spike, but he's back in there somewhere. See, they've all hunked down under here. Anyways, thanks for taking your time to watch the video. Check back for more updates. God bless.